Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer income from Kindle Direct Publishing to bank, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer income from Kindle Direct Publishing to your bank account, start by logging into your Amazon KDP account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Reports section on the top menu. Click on Royalties to review your earnings and confirm that your income is ready for transfer. Next, go to the Account section from the same menu. Here, you will find a section for Bank Account Information. If you haven't set up a bank account yet, click on the option to add your banking details. Enter your bank account information accurately, ensuring you include your account number and routing number. Select your preferred currency for transactions, typically in your local currency. After entering the details, double-check for any errors to avoid issues with the transfer. Once confirmed, save your changes. Now, go back to the Reports section to verify your earnings report. Earnings are generally available to be transferred approximately 60 days after the end of the month in which they were earned. When your royalties are ready, you will receive a payment notification via email. To initiate the transfer, return to the Account section and look for the payment options available. Select the option that corresponds with your preferred payout method. In most cases, this will be either direct deposit or check payments. If you have selected direct deposit, ensure your bank account details are correct. Then, confirm the payment settings to finalize the transfer setup. You should receive your income directly deposited into your bank account based on the payment schedule provided by Amazon. Keep an eye on your bank account to confirm that the transfer has gone through. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Amazon KDP support for assistance. Make sure to monitor your reports regularly for updated earnings and payment schedules. Understanding this process will help you stay informed about your income from KDP and manage your finances effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.